Alright, in this video we're going to go from atoms of an element to the mass, or how much or how many grams that is. So let's start off with the number that they give us, which is 2.3 times 10 to the 24th power. This little character here is called a caret, and it just means this number 10 to the 24th power. So we're going to start off with this, and the units on this are atoms of silver. So I'll say Ag, so atoms of silver. So let's go ahead and draw our line for our factor label method problem. So if I have atoms of silver here, in order to cancel out atoms of silver, atoms need to go on the bottom, or atoms of silver. And then, like I said before, the mole is your bridge for connecting these units together. So I need to know how many atoms are in 1 mole of silver. Now, if you recall, a mole is a really big number, and it is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Sorry, I didn't leave enough room there, but anyhow, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of silver are in 1 mole of silver. Okay, so the units that cancel here, we've got atoms of silver, and I have moles of silver. So if I were to work this problem out just like it is, my units would be moles of silver. But I don't want moles, I want grams. That's what I'm going for. So now, in order to cancel out moles, I need to put it on the bottom. So I'm going to say 1 mole of silver. And in order to get this number, you need to have a periodic table to find out what the molar mass of silver is. And the molar mass of silver is 107.87. So we're going to say 107.87, and this number just comes straight from the periodic table. It's the bottom number typically on a periodic table right under the element symbol. So 107.87, and this is grams of silver. So now let's double check moles. We'll cancel out with moles, and I'm left with grams, which is exactly what I want. So now let's take, and this is 2.3. So let's take 2.3. So 2.3 times 10 to the 24th. We're going to multiply that by 107.87, and then we're going to divide that by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power, and then we are going to get 412.1. We'll got 2 decimals, so I'll round it up to 3. So 412.13 grams of silver should be your answer for this particular problem.